Hi, welcome to North State Law. My name is Nick Dogle, still the owner and founder. Today's question is, I own a daycare in North Carolina and I received a notice of violations from the Department of Health and Human Services, Division of Child Development and Early Education. What do I do now? So the first thing, obviously, you want to remain calm. You want to make sure that you read everything that's sent to you, that you check the date on any and all letters that you receive, and that you contact an attorney as soon as possible. Division of Child Development and Early Education has a lot of steps in their process. It can be quite lengthy, but if you miss certain steps, it may or may not mean that you can't appeal it. And what I mean by that is, if you receive a notice of proposed administrative action and you don't submit anything within the 15-day time period that they give you, that doesn't mean that you give up any appeal rights. But if you receive a notice of administrative action from DCDEE and you do not get a petition filed within the designated time frame, then you could lose your right to appeal and would lose your right to appeal their administrative action. So you got to make sure that you check your mail on a daily basis, or your staff members do. And if your staff members notice something from DCEE, that they notify you immediately, that they open it up, they take a picture, they email it to you, they text it to you, whatever the case may be, just so you're aware. And then you can start the process of, if you need to do an appeal, you can do that route. If you need to respond to a notice of a proposed administrative action, for example, that you do that. Or if it's the very, very, very beginning and you're just notified that there's a couple alleged violations, and maybe you can speak with the consultant that alleged those violations and maybe work through them, you might be able to nip everything in the bud and keep things from progressing. So it really, really depends on what stage in the case that you're at as far as what you need to do next. But you really got to make sure that you check your mail and that you also read everything and pay attention to dates on all correspondence from the Division of Child Development and Early Education. We do a lot of stuff with the DCDEE. We would be happy and honored to help you out. My office number is 919-521-8810. We offer free 15-minute discovery calls with a member of my staff. If you have any questions, please text or call us. We also have a lot of information on the YouTube channel for the firm and also on the website. We got a lot of blogs on there. Website is northstatelawfirm.com. I hope everybody has a fantastic day, and please take care of North Carolina. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.